Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a diffuser, this one from ZmarKraft is absolutely beautiful and maybe just what you need. It's got a really pretty design that will go in any space. The cover is a really beautiful creamy fabric, and then the top and the bottom look like wood. It's a really nice small size and it's simple to use. So you just take off the cover, you put some water in it to the max fill line. You can add some essential oil drops if you want, and then you put the cover back on and turn it on. It only has 2 buttons. So the power button, of course, turns it on. You can have it run continuously, or you can push it again to have it work in 15-minute increments. My favorite feature is the light. So you can have it on high or low, or this one, which makes it flicker like a candle. I just love the effect this particular setting gives. It truly infuses the entire room with the scent of your essential oil. It works really well. It's very quiet. So if you're looking for similar, I think you'll be really pleased with this one, and that's my point of view.